The last 2 years in the housing industry have had an insatiable buyer demand, rising home prices, and a ton of equity. This has left those buyers who couldn't afford $25,000 to $50,000 over asking, wondering, can I even afford to buy a home? Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we post future videos just like this one. So let me ask you this, what would you give up in order to purchase a home? A report came out recently that showed 73% of millennials would give up TikTok and 76% would give up alcohol to win that perfect home. So why aren't we doing it? I get that the market has been intimidating, and now that it's softening, it seems like everybody's waiting for the crash. And that is real. But with Denver rents going up over 11% year over year, do you want to start paying your own mortgage and your own financial independence, or to keep paying somebody else's? Home ownership is still considered to be one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. What if you could just get into something today, even if it wasn't the perfect home, and start building that wealth? What if it's the perfect rental a year from now? Then when rates drop, when they typically do during recessions, you can refinance it. You know the drill. You're marrying the house and dating the rate. And then 1 to 2 years even after that, you can move up and turn that one into a rental. Those are the opportunities to continue to build wealth and scale your real estate portfolio. Because ultimately, you want to be on this side of a recession. Because when and if a recession does come, interest rates will go down. Pickup in demand will cause home prices to go back up with people putting in multiple bids. And that's not where you want to be. Where you want to be is on this side, where you're gaining that wealth and equity, not fighting for it. Well, again, if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Nicole Rueth with the Root Team.